Azzam.
Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another episode of
With Cooking Chief Azzam.
So I'm super excited to have another episode on the main channel. We are back in Bali, Indonesia, and we are cooking my husband's cultural food and one of my favorite dishes that we make at home. So if you enjoy seeing my husband cook on the channel, let me know down in the comments below. And if you haven't watched my husband make his Palestinian Khobez, link is going to be in the description down below, and you can see how we make it at home. He just made this fresh, so we are going to make our homemade hummus. So love, can you explain to the channel the few ingredients that you need to make your classic hummus?
Yes, you need like chickpeas. You can find this in any grocery store, and you need to use the water inside. Okay, lemon, tahina, salt.
Okay.
And a blender.
So for those of you who don't know what tahina is, it is a sesame paste, and we found this in Indonesia. So for me, I feel like in most countries you will be able to find this sesame seed paste, and it's so delicious and very essential to make this.
We need the water here for chickpeas. Okay, we will use this. First I will make just a few almost outside, like just a few. We make here the hummus. Okay, we make
A pinch of salt.
yeah, a little bit salt as you like. For me, I like this, and I will do a tahina. I like tahina, so I will make more tahina. This. Okay. And we need like a little bit lemon. That's it. And we will use the water, but not. This is slowly you do it. Okay. You are ready. Okay. Need more water. Like this. Let's look nice. And make more. And you have the best hummus. Because I can keep it in the refrigerator. Also. More thick. You can make it more thick with add hummus, but I like it like this because I add more tahina. When I told you keep a little bit hummus just for the style like this, I like to be it here. So nice. And you need a little bit of cumin. Okay, for me I will do like this. Some egg is amazing. Like this you make it art, you know. This, 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 and you do this. See? It's become like art. A little bit of parsley here, and of course magic sauce for Palestinian is olive oil. That's it. So you have very nice hummus.
Hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with the Azzams.
Like, comment, share and subscribe.
Mahalo nui loa and
Wassalamu alaikum.